A wise woman once said, "To know yourself, you must first sacrifice the illusion that you already do." This quote perfectly captures the essence of self-acceptance. Understanding and accepting oneself typically starts with getting rid of our long-held regrets, doubts, and delusions. This means going into the depths and realizing who we really are by acknowledging and accepting our flaws. But it's easier said than done, right? If it's that easy, then you wouldn't have been watching this video. Hi everyone, welcome to Ethereal Notes. Today, we will discuss a very underrated topic, self-acceptance. If you are here, please watch this complete video with an open mind and give the provided tips a genuine try without suspicion. These unique strategies might change your life. You are here, which means you are having trouble with your inner self, which should not be taken lightly. We will be working on that today. I will give you 5 tips that sound weird or seem like no connection to self-acceptance, but if you give them a genuine try, you will start seeing the results yourself. Without waiting any longer, let's dive into the tips. I will start with some common but necessary tips. Number 1, prioritize self-care. This might sound basic, but trust me, it's more powerful than you think. Prioritizing self-care is essential for self-acceptance, and we are not talking about emotional care here. This is mainly about physical care. We believe self-acceptance is all about emotional care, but in reality, physical care is the first step towards self-acceptance. It will help you with the initial steps to get started on your journey. It's like wearing your armor before going into battle. People with self-acceptance issues have a hard time thinking anything positive about themselves. That's why this step is necessary, as physical care is the easiest thing you can start doing for yourself to have some positivity. It directly impacts how you feel about yourself. When you take care of your physical appearance and health, you look better and feel more confident and self-assured, which can be a great asset in reinforcing your self-acceptance journey from the start. You need to start taking care of 3 things. Grooming. Start taking care of your appearance, including a good hairstyle, and buy suitable clothes that make you feel good. Taking time to groom yourself can make a big difference in your feelings, like showering regularly, maintaining good hygiene, and caring for your hair and skin. You can try this for starters. Get a good haircut, wear some new clothes you like, go to any nearest coffee place, and order a coffee yourself. Then take the deepest breath you can and start enjoying your coffee. Then work on healthy eating and regular exercise. It has been proven by hundreds and hundreds of studies that healthy eating and exercise have tremendous benefits on both physical and mental health. When you eat well, your body gets the nutrients it needs to function correctly, which improves your skin, hair, mood, and overall energy levels. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy, whether it's jogging, dancing, or doing yoga. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. Try doing it for 1 week and see the results yourself. Number 2, release comparison. I admit this is a very common point that you must have heard many times by now, and it's easier said than done. However, I have put this in number 2 because it's very hard to do, but only if you try to do it without any preparation. If you try doing it after you start prioritizing self-care, this will be easy for you. You already know what this point is about, but for our fellow viewers who want to know more, let's discuss it in detail. Why is comparison harmful? Comparing yourself to others is a common barrier to self-acceptance. When you constantly measure your worth against others, you diminish your unique qualities and accomplishments. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and comparing your path to someone else's can harm your self-esteem and mental health. What can you do to release comparison? Here are the things you can do. 1. Limit exposure to social media. Social media can be a major trigger for comparison. It's easy to scroll through your feed and see others' highlight reels, making you feel inferior or less successful. Limit your time on social media or take breaks from it altogether. A digital detox can do wonders for your mental health. Consider unfollowing accounts that make you feel bad about yourself and instead follow those that inspire and uplift you. You can check out our social media channels. You will find the links in description. The content we post is perfect for what you need to see on your social media feeds. Focus on your own progress and practice gratitude. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own growth and achievements. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they might seem. Being grateful for what you have can shift your focus from what you lack to what you already possess. Gratitude helps you appreciate your life and reduces the tendency to compare yourself to others. Start a daily gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Over time, this practice can help you develop a more positive outlook and lessen the urge to compare. I have a video on gratitude that you can watch for more info. The link is in the description. Number 3. Self-acceptance affirmations. They might feel weird at first, but they work. Affirmations are necessary because when you start affirming positive things about yourself daily, you start challenging your negative self. These positive statements rewire your brain to think more positively about yourself, boosting your self-confidence over time. If you are skeptical about affirmations, you can Google their authenticity. You will find thousands of results from verified and trusted websites that it works. Even scientific studies have shown that they work, so please give them a genuine try. Here is what you can do. First, identify struggles. Start by identifying areas where you struggle with self-acceptance. This could be related to your appearance, abilities, or personality. If you have trouble accepting your body, acknowledge this area as a starting point for your affirmations. Create affirmations that counteract these negative beliefs. Make sure they are positive, present tense statements that reflect what you want to believe about yourself. For example, if you struggle with body image, say, "I love and accept my body just as it is." If you doubt your abilities, affirm, "I am capable and confident in my skills." Repeat these affirmations daily. Stand in front of the mirror each morning and evening, look into your own eyes, and say your affirmations out loud. This practice can be very powerful in reinforcing positive self-beliefs. You can also try writing them down. Writing down your affirmations can also be beneficial. Keep them in a place where you will see them regularly, like on your bathroom mirror or as a note on your phone. Write your affirmations on sticky notes and place them around your home or workspace. This constant reminder will help reinforce the positive messages. Here is what you can try to find out what works best for you. Try speaking affirmations in front of a mirror, as explained previously. Then try writing them down by writing multiple affirmations in a diary. For example, if you want to affirm your skills and your affirmation is "I am capable and confident in my skills," then write this down 10 times in your diary and feel the difference. Some people understand better by writing the stuff down, so it can make a difference for you. I will put a link in the description and comments section for a self-affirmation video, which you can use to practice self-acceptance affirmations. You can listen to it by thinking about yourself when you cannot practice by other means like speaking or writing. By incorporating self-acceptance affirmations into your daily routine, you're actively working to change the way you think about yourself. This simple but powerful practice can help you overcome negative thoughts and build a more positive and accepting self-image. Number 4. Let go of past regrets. This one can be tough, but it's crucial. Holding on to past regrets and guilt can fuel your self-rejection. When you dwell on the past, you prevent yourself from fully embracing the present and moving forward. Recognizing that you cannot change the past, but can choose how you respond to it, is essential for self-growth and self-acceptance. It's not easy, but I've got you covered. To overcome past regrets, we will be using a technique called the empty chair technique. It's a therapeutic exercise that can help you process and release past regrets. It is backed by science and has been backed by therapists worldwide. I have a separate video on this topic for you. You can find the link in the description. Number 5. Write a letter to yourself. This is the weirdest tip so far. While the other points we've discussed help in the self-acceptance journey, this particular tip will become a pillar of support in your overall progress, making your foundation more solid and resilient. Writing a letter to yourself helps you process your emotions, reflect on your journey, and foster self-compassion. It allows you to acknowledge your struggles, celebrate your growth, and express forgiveness and encouragement to yourself. Start by writing a letter to your younger self. Acknowledge your challenges and struggles at that age and offer words of compassion and understanding. Highlight the progress and achievements you've made over the years. Reflecting on your journey can help you appreciate how much you've grown and how capable you are. And then, finally, forgive yourself for any past mistakes and offer words of encouragement for the future. This can help you release guilt and build a more positive self-image. You can write something like, "Dear 15-year-old David, I know you went through some really tough times and often felt alone and misunderstood. I want you to know that you showed incredible strength and resilience. You've come so far, and I am so proud of you. Over the years, you've faced many challenges, but you've also achieved so much. You've learned to stand up for yourself, pursue your passions, and build meaningful relationships. You should be proud of how far you've come. I forgive you for the mistakes you've made. They were all part of your learning journey. Remember that you deserve love and respect and have the strength to overcome any future challenges." You can also write to your future self in the same way, writing multiple letters and then scheduling them throughout the year. Whenever you read the letter, it will be a healing experience for you, and you will find it much easier to forgive and accept yourself. Everyone who is watching this, I encourage you to write a letter to yourself in the comments below. Write a letter to yourself and then reply positively to any of the comments written by others. This will create a positive loop. So whenever someone writes a new comment, just give a positive reply to other comments, which then notify the comment owner. And when they come back to check, they will see that they are not alone and your support is with them, and the same will happen with you. Take the time to write to yourself, because the other tips we've discussed are important in the self-acceptance journey. Writing a letter to yourself becomes a pillar of support because it integrates all aspects of your experiences and emotions into a single exercise. As we conclude our video today, I would like to ask you to give these tips a genuine try, even if you are skeptical. If you like the video, press the like button gently, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, self-acceptance is a journey, and you're doing great. Stay positive, keep growing, and be kind to yourself. See you next time on Ethereal Notes.